Hey, what's up, guys? A lot of people have been looking for like product demos. They want to send their product in and have me review it. Spokesperson videos, and I just want to let you guys know that any kind of product demo, testimonial videos you need, send them my way. I can't say I used a product that I haven't, so you gotta ship it to me. But anything, a 1 minute video, 2 minute video, 5 minute video. If you want me to read a pitch deck, I have a business background, let me know. It'll be a natural background like this, or I have a white and green screen if you guys need that too. But let me know. I'll be happy to review your product. I'm very outgoing, casual, and I look forward to hopefully getting some reviews. And just again, my email's in the bio, so just shoot me an email there about your product, what you're doing, whatever, whatever. I can speak very seriously. I can speak very playfully, you know what I'm saying, So anything y'all need, let me know. Shoot me an email and I'll be happy to review y'all product. Thank you.